In today's video, I'm going to talk about ethical hacking, what it is, why it is important, and how you can get started. Ethical hacking, also known as penetration testing or white hat hacking, is the practice of testing the security of a system or network with the permission of its owner or operator. Ethical hackers use the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers, but they do so to find and fix vulnerabilities, not to exploit them. Ethical hacking is a legal and legitimate way of improving the security and privacy of individuals, organizations, and society. Why is ethical hacking important? Well, as you may know, cyber attacks are becoming more frequent and sophisticated, and they can cause serious damage to data, systems, and reputation. Cybercriminals can steal personal information, money, or intellectual property, or they can sabotage, ransom, or destroy critical infrastructure. Ethical hacking can help prevent or mitigate these attacks by identifying and reporting the weaknesses before they are exploited. Ethical hacking can also help raise awareness and educate users and administrators about the best practices and standards for cybersecurity. How can you become an ethical hacker? Well, there are many paths and resources you can follow, but here are some general steps you can take. First, you need to have a strong foundation in computer science, programming, networking, and cryptography. You need to understand how computers, systems, and networks work, and how they can be manipulated or compromised. You also need to be familiar with various operating systems, languages, frameworks, and tools that are used in hacking. Second, you need to learn the ethics and laws of hacking. You need to know what is legal and what is not, and what are the consequences of your actions. You also need to respect the privacy and rights of others, and follow the rules and guidelines of the organizations or clients you work for or with. You should always obtain written permission before conducting any hacking activity, and report your findings and recommendations in a clear and professional manner. Third, you need to practice your skills and knowledge in a safe and controlled environment. You can use online platforms, courses, or books that offer simulated or real-world scenarios and challenges for ethical hacking. You can also participate in competitions, events, or communities that promote ethical hacking and cybersecurity. You should always keep learning and updating yourself with the latest trends, threats, and solutions in the field of hacking. Don't forget to subscribe. It's for free after all.